Okay, let's just settle into a nice comfortable position for this 10-minute non-sleep deep rest meditation with me, Paul Sheppard, on the Mindset Change podcast. So let's just focus your attention on your breathing right now. Don't try to change your breathing, but just bring your attention just to your stomach. And what can normally happen is you start to breathe slow and low, naturally all by yourself. And this helps tell the brain and body that you are safe. And if you haven't already, allow your eyes to just gently close. And each out breath will continue to relax even further your mind and body. Sometimes it can feel, as you breathe out, as if there was a fist inside your mind, slowly unclenching, opening up. I'd like you to draw your attention to your scalp. And as you breathe out, feel your scalp just begin to melt a little, any tension or tightness it might be holding on to. And then that's slowly moving down to the back of your head. And around your forehead. And around your eyes. The lines just smoothing out a little. Your cheekbones, your jaw, and your tongue resting behind your two top teeth at the top of your mouth. Moving down to your neck, down to your shoulders, becoming aware of your left shoulder, your right shoulder, feeling them both let go of anything you're carrying with each out breath. And just beginning to tap into an attitude of compassion for you. Everything that you have been through, overcome, are working towards. And this vessel, this body, is doing its best to help you. And it's put through quite a lot. We sometimes are not the best at looking after ourselves. But if your body could tell you what it needs from you more often, what would that be? And helping your body relax, even for 10 minutes, is a gift that keeps on giving. So just relaxing and focusing now on the muscles, the tendons, unwinding in your left arm, the bicep, your forearm, your hand, the palm of your hand, and slowly to each finger. And moving to your right arm, your bicep, your forearm, the back of your hand, the palm of your hand, and slowly to each finger. Your chest, slowly down to your stomach, breathing slow and low, and notice the pause at the end of the breath where the mind becomes still, quieter, peaceful, before you breathe back in. Slowly all the way down your spine to your waist, down your left leg, your thigh, your calf muscle, all the way into your foot. Your right thigh, your right calf muscle, and your right foot. Your legs unwinding, relaxing, healing. And just bring forth an attitude of gratitude for what your body is doing for you. Could you show your body more love, more care? And what would that look like? And when you're ready, I'd like you to give yourself a wonderful inner smile and thank yourself for taking the time to look after your body this way. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. If you would like a longer, deeper version of this Healing the Body NSDR, then head over to the Another Level channel. The link is in the show notes. I look forward to connecting with you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day.